Snack 3. Energy balls.
1 cup oats. 1/2 cup peanut butter. 1/4 cup honey.
1/4 cup mini chocolate chips.
1/4 cup chia seeds. In a large bowl, combine the oats, peanut butter, honey, mini chocolate chips, and chia seeds. Use your hands to mix everything together until it forms a dough. Roll the dough into small balls, using about 1 tablespoon of dough per ball. Place the energy balls on a plate, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before serving. Snack 4. Hummus and veggie sticks. 1 cup chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1/4 cup tahini. 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice. 2 cloves garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. Veggies, sliced, such as carrots, celery, bell peppers, cucumber. In a food processor, blend all of the ingredients, except for the veggies, until smooth. Serve the hummus with sliced veggies for dipping.